Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to unfollow someone on Thread application. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Thread app first, and then you need to get logged in into the account. Once you are logged in into the account of yours, what you need to do is you need to find the profile that you want to unfollow. For this process, I'm just gonna go and choose a random profile for you to show how you can unfollow them. So I'm just gonna go and choose this one. As you can see, I am following this person on Thread. So for you to unfollow this certain person on Thread, all you have to do is tap on that following text box. You just tap that and this will change to the follow button, which means you no longer follow this person on Thread. If you want to follow again, tap on follow and it will be changed to following. If you do not want to follow, tap on following and it will turn to follow. This is the one way how you can do it. You can also go and tap on the search icon, and on the search bar you type in the profile name to whom you want to unfollow. So I'm just gonna go and choose a random one. You can see here, once you type in the username, it will provide you with the list of options that is similar to the username you provided, and it will show you the people that you follow as well. So from the option, you just tap on unfollow beside the user profile and you will be unfollowing that person right over there from the search bar. This way you do not have to view their profile and you can directly unfollow them from here. So this is a way how you can unfollow someone on Thread app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.